Hello everybody and welcome to our tutorial series where we'll be exploring the advanced capabilities of AI Hub. Over the course of this series, we're going to move beyond single document extractions to cover how we build production-grade end-to-end document automation applications. We'll show you how to combine Instabase Visual Flow Editor with custom Python scripts to automate even the most complex enterprise document pipelines. Let's take a high-level look at what we have in store for you today. In our day-to-day work, we often run into document packages that don't fit into a simple mold. This includes multi-document packages, unstructured tables, or files that require specialized multi-stage routing, strict validation checks, and connection to external business systems. To handle this complexity, this series is split into two major phases. First, we'll explore and master visual layout planning using Flow Editor blueprints. Second, we'll unlock infinite extensibility by injecting our own Python code using user-defined functions or UDFs. Together, these two capabilities form the ultimate toolkit for document automation. We'll kick off phase 1 inside the Flow Editor. Think of the Flow Editor as your canvas where you design exactly how files are ingested, sorted, processed, and checked. We'll walk step by step through setting up custom image and OCR configurations to clean up raw scans, using LLMs to automatically identify page types in natural language, branching files, down parallel filters to isolate targets, and running high-accuracy extractions with LLMs. By the end of this phase, you'll know how to build a highly optimized visual blueprint from scratch. While these visual blocks are incredibly powerful, enterprise workflows often demand absolute custom control. That brings us to phase 2, user-defined functions. We'll show you how creating a user-defined function, or UDF module, automatically scaffolds a standardized folder structure complete with boilerplate code. You'll see how to write, edit, and test custom Python scripts right inside Instabase built-in text editor. Finally, you'll learn how to register these custom functions directly inside other modules, like writing custom formatting formulas for refined tables or building complex compliance checks inside validation checkpoints. To use UDFs effectively, you need to understand when and where your code executes. Instabase flows support 4 distinct types of UDFs. First, we have pre-flow UDFs, which run before any visual steps execute, ideal for initial setup, like fetching batches or files from a remote API. Second, we have map UDFs, which process each input file in parallel, executing localized math or text cleaning on single documents. Third, reduce UDFs, which aggregate the output files from previous steps to generate consolidated records or summary statistics. And last but not least, post-flow UDFs, which run after the flow completes to trigger cleanup scripts, generate final reports, or export verified data downstream. So where do we go from here? Coming up next in our first module, we'll do a deep dive build of visual flow blueprints, taking a step-by-step approach to building your very first workflow. From there, we will explore UDFs in detail, everything from folder setup and custom module scripting to multi-field Python validators and refined cell formulas. We'll build everything together end-to-end, step-by-step. And if you need any assistance along the way, please do reach out to us. Let's get started.